Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the Thuja plant. Do you know this plant is said to be a good luck for your houses? This plant is also said to bring prosperity in your house. We have this plant in our garden for the past 5 to 6 years. And every year during the winter season, it blooms beautiful white flowers. And the plant also stays very green and healthy. But it is the complete opposite in the summer season. In the summer season, it does not bloom any flower, and even if it does, it blooms in very less amounts. And the plant's leaves start turning yellow, especially in Delhi's harsh climate. That's why every year we take special care of our plants so the plant turns healthy, bushy and greeny. And this includes hard pruning the plant and changing the soil time to time. Earlier we have uploaded many videos on how you can propagate these plants from cutting or how you can grow this plant from seeds. But in today's video, I'll be telling you how you have to save your Morpankhi plant in extreme heat or how you can save your plant from heat burns. First, as you can see here, we are hard pruning our plant like this. Actually, rainy season is the best time for hard pruning your plant. After hard pruning, you'll notice that after a while, your plants will start growing new branches. After hard pruning, it is also very important to repot our plant. But our plant is actually in a 14 inches cement pot. And it is very hard to repot your plant in this pot every year. So most of the times remove the first 4 inches of the soil and then simply replace it with some different soil. Look like this, my mom is removing the first 4 inches of the soil and removing all the weeds. As it is the rainy season, it's better if we avoid giving some soil. Instead, we will give some fertilizer to this plant. For fertilizer, we will give compost tea to the plant. Actually, compost tea is a very good fertilizer for your Thuja plants. We can also give rice water or leaf compost. They both are also very good for this plant. And after the rainy season ends, we are again going to give some fertile compost or manure to this plant. After giving this fertilizers to the plant, you will notice that the plants will start getting new branches and it will start looking more greener and healthier. And just like this, you'll start getting blooms as well. Now let me answer some frequently asked questions on this plant. First question is that how much sunlight does this plant need? They actually prefer full sun, although they can tolerate partial shade. Do you know this plant is known as the tree of life? As in Native American ritual, they were burned for purification. Also, its evergreen symbolizes eternal life. Not only that, these were planted near the churches and cemeteries for a protective tree. These are also used in religious practices till date. It also symbolizes immortality and eternal life, purification and protection, as well as healing and wisdom. So it's a must to plant in your garden, not only for its good luck or spiritual beliefs, but also because it makes your garden look more pretty. That's all. Bye bye.